Ate Malu, what is that?
Hi! Ay, my new iPhone.
iPhone?
From my hardship. iPhone, I think 16.
16?
Yes.
Pro Max?
Yes.
Ilang GB?
Pro Max. Oh, wow.
Wow! 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 Ang ganda!
Finally, it's silver. Silver.
Wow! Congratulations, Ate Malu!
Wow, sabi sa'yo, terno pa kami ni Ate Malu.
Wow!
Oh, ang laki!
Wow!
White nga lang.
OTY.
White.
So nice.
White.
I think it's
Metallic silver, wow! Ay, there's a bata! Ay!
it's a charger. Give me copy.
Go,
It's very nice. See, look at the back. It's iPhone.
Congratulations, you deserve it!
Oh, you check it, no? There are some fake cameras that,
No,
only
it's
one
not.
camera is working.
That is from Duo.
Uy! Charger!
Mura sa doon talaga.
Kobe! You have...
Doon talaga.
Ganapon lang yun.
Come, Kobe. Oh, see? Wow.
Go, go, go.
Finally.
Okay, you say thank you na to the fans. Thank you so much.
Thank you, JJ Pamor. See you again. Subscribe and press the button.
Like and share.
Like and share. Subscribe. JJ Pamor.
Thank you so much.
Oh my God, di talaga ako pwede maging artista. It's very difficult, you know?
Go, go.
Siguro sa...
Pag-picture ka na kaagad dyan.